In this video, I'll show you how to downgrade your Mailchimp plan. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, simply click on your profile. Now, below your profile, you want to head over to the fourth option, which is account and billing. Once you are on the account and billing section in here, it will automatically show you the plan that you are in. If you want to downgrade, head over to the tabs and at the top, click on the third tab, which is billing. Now below billing, choose the first option, which is monthly plans or credits. Now that will take you to the plan section. In order for you to downgrade your plan, you have to choose either it is your marketing plan, your website's plan, or your messaging plan. Let's say I want to downgrade my marketing plan. So at the top in the right corner of each and every plan, you will have an option to change your plan. So from here, we will change the plan. Now that will open a pop-up. And from here, as you can see, we have an option to downgrade. So in here, this is for medium-sized themes. I have standard plus SMS. If you do want to upgrade on the left-hand side, it will ask you to buy now. It will also show you your current plan. But on the right-hand side, if you choose to downgrade, just simply click on downgrade. Now that will automatically take you to the section wherein it will show you the things in which you were not able to access. You will also see the things in which you can still access, but if you are sure, at the bottom, click on the checkbox. And on the right-hand side, this is where you can choose to downgrade your Mailchimp account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.